So if you have a sofa and you have one of these guys and one of those, you're probably gonna have a few cat snags on your sofa. So in this video, we're gonna go ahead and show you how to fix those guys.
So the tool we're gonna want for this particular project is called a felting needle. These you can usually find in the arts and crafts section. Essentially what it is, it's a metal needle of sorts with little barbs along the edge of them. So as you're going in and out of the cushion, it's going to grab the snag the cat pulled out, it's gonna push it back in. It's pretty much just a back and forth stabbing motion. You're just pushing the threads back into place. You can go ahead and find this at your local craft store. I got this on Amazon, so you can find the link below to use the exact one that I used.